Get ready for the revolution.
So I want to tell you about the second part of working on your path, which is using our total stroke. The total stroke is a template that allows you to see the exact path and face angle of the putter as it moves backward and forward. And this is an incredibly powerful visual for you to be able to see if your putter is opening or if it's closing too early or too late. So step one is you just want to get set up on the total stroke and stop at each line. So watch your putter as it goes back and through. See if it's a little bit open, stop at each line, and then develop your ability to match the path and the face together. And over time, that's going to really start to affect your actual stroke. The second thing you want to do to add some feedback to it is put some tees in the ground on the outsides of your putter. So just slightly bigger than your putter, put a tee on the outside and on the inside using the indentions on the total stroke. So as you do that, then you will have feedback if your putter's coming outside or inside, as well as the visual part. Then what you want to begin to do is actually hit putts from the total stroke. So as you hit putts, staying inside those gates, you're going to see if you're able to match the path and the face, and you're going to be building a very solid stroke. If you want to add a little bit more to it, which is seeing if the putter face is square at impact, use the ball gate. So at the end of the total stroke, there's two holes that are somewhat close together. Those are just slightly bigger than the golf ball. That's designed to, if you hit the putter square through impact, so if the putter's matching the line at impact, that ball should roll right through that gate. If it's closed, it'll hit the left one. If it's open, it'll hit the right one for right-handers. And then lastly, what you can do is we have a release gate. A release gate is designed for those players that tend to come through with a block putting stroke, or they come through with the face too open. So it's a way for them to really exaggerate and feel the putter face closing. And what you want to do with that is, if that's you, you want to put two tees in and then just come through and hold it. Get that feeling of the putter closing, and then come back to normal, come through and hold it, and then you'll begin to feel a releasing putter head. Give that a try. That's our second element of path. The next step is, once you've grooved your putter, the putter that will go up and down the edge rail, now you're getting your path set. But now what you want to do is you want to actually move it out a half an inch on your next step and get to where you're able to make a stroke, keeping that half inch the same distance on the way back, on the way through. That way you're making the same stroke, but you're not using the rail, which is what you're eventually going to have to do when you get onto the golf course.